The OnePlus Pad Go 2 finally gives OnePlus's budget tablet lineup the attention it's been missing. After nearly 2 years of silence following the original Pad Go, OnePlus is back with meaningful upgrades that could make this tablet a strong option for students and casual users if the pricing lands right. Today, we're taking a quick first look at what's new, what's improved, and whether the Pad Go 2 has what it takes to stand out. OnePlus has been consistent with its premium tablet lineup, launching multiple high-end models, including the latest OnePlus Pad 3. The more affordable Pad Go series, however, was largely left behind, with the Pad Lite acting as little more than a stopgap. The Pad Go 2 marks the first real generational upgrade, and it's a significant one on paper. In terms of design, the Pad Go 2 keeps things simple and functional. It's available in 2 colors, Shadow Black and Lavender Drift. The Shadow Black variant looks clean and understated, though it does attract fingerprints. There's a single rear camera now moved to the corner of the tablet, replacing the centered design seen on earlier OnePlus pads. The biggest upgrade is under the hood. The Pad Go 2 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra, a major step up from the Helio G99 found in the original Pad Go. This new chipset enables 5G and Wi-Fi 6 support, features that were entirely missing from previous budget OnePlus tablets. Notably, only the Shadow Black variant supports a physical 5G SIM, while other models rely on tethered connectivity. In early use, OxygenOS 16 feels dramatically smoother, with faster app launches and more responsive system navigation. The display is another highlight. OnePlus has equipped the Pad Go 2 with a 12.1-inch 2.8K IPS LCD panel, featuring a 120Hz refresh rate. It supports up to 900 nits of peak brightness, 98% DCI-P3 color coverage, and Dolby Vision HDR. Compared to the 90Hz SDR panels on earlier models, this is a noticeable leap in clarity and visual impact, especially for streaming and reading. The Pad Go 2 also gains OnePlus's Open Canvas multitasking feature, allowing advanced split-screen workflows similar to the company's premium tablets and foldables. Powering it all is a massive 10,050 mAh battery, which, paired with the efficiency of the Dimensity 7300 Ultra, should translate into strong all-day battery life for classes, entertainment, and light productivity. Pricing starts at 26,999 rupees for the base model, with the 5G variant going up to 32,999 rupees. At these prices, the Pad Go 2 has real potential, especially if OnePlus can deliver solid battery life and sustained performance. We'll be putting all of that to the test in our full review, so stay tuned. This might just be the budget OnePlus tablet worth waiting for.